Hi there, Sandila here. Carl is on top of the hill and Karin's on top of the hill coming to you on this Tuesday. Cold, very, very cold Tuesday. Today, here in Port Azil. Today, we'll do a little bit of harvesting. I've got a few items that we can harvest. And we'll prune the lemon tree. The lemon tree has been a bit of a disappointment this year, I must say. That's why I'm going to prune it, because I think it didn't put much energy in growing as food. You know, it's most probably, I don't know, put a lot of energy doing what, because even the lemons that we got this year, they are so tiny. It's disappointing, you know. This tree it normally would give us like plentiful lemons and big lemons, not these tiny little things. Anyways, that's fine. We're going to prune this and then we're going to harvest. Maybe let's go start with the harvesting. Let's get some avos. Let's leave this knife here for pruning. Let's go get some avos. Yeah, let's get some avos. Let's get some avos. There's the avocado tree. There's the avocado tree with plenty avocados on it. Someone is eating my avocados. I haven't harvested much, but see, the monkeys are also helping themselves. Yeah, but also the tree is probably now getting ready to do away with leaves and stuff like that, as its season is slowly marching out. Yes, Ngoba. You wanna jump on the trampoline? Yeah. Okay, go jump on the trampoline. Yes, Mden.
The leaf turned into an avocado.
Yeah, not the leaf, Baba. Okay, let's get some avos.
I really want to get some avos too.
I know. Ngoba, please do not touch my phone.
Here's one, Daddy. Here's one.
That's too small. That's too small, Baba. That's too small. We need like bigger ones.
I see a big one.
Yeah, you see a big one. Where's the big one?
Here.
Where?
There, up there.
Ah, yes. That one is big. And this one is big. Okay. There's another big one. Careful, careful, Ngoba. Careful, you don't want to fall there.
Avocado.
Yes, avocado.
Avocado. Yummy avocado. Yummy avocado. Yummy avocado. Here. Daddy.
Yeah.
Here's one. Here's one over here. Daddy, here.
Yeah?
Here.
Let's see. Yeah. This one, still small.
You know that one.
Which one? This one?
Yes.
Okay, this one is good to go.
Daddy.
Yes.
The avocado.
Yes. Okay, now we've got avos. Let's move to tomarillos. Or should we go to lemons? Now let's go to tomarillos. We still have tomarillos as well.
Daddy.
Quite a lot of them. And they look like they are all ripe now. We still have plenty tomarillos. Let me put the cam on the other side, because this side is facing the sun and that's not good. Let's put this guy here. Mdeni, please. I said please. I'll tell you what to harvest, how to harvest it. Okay. Now we get these guys.
And also that.
Yeah. These guys.
Tomato.
These guys.
Tomato.
Tomarillo, not tomato. Tomarillo.
Tomarillo.
Yes, tomarillo.
Give me.
Okay, yeah.
Give me. Oh, give me.
Okay, yeah. These are still not that. Nah. Let's see. Yeah.
And here.
Yeah.
Four tomarillos.
Yes.
Hello?
Look at this. Look at that. Come on, boys.
Avocado.
Yeah. Avocado. Okay. Danny. Good. What are you doing? What? Go. Okay, we need to go get the lemons now. This is how we're looking like. That's how we're looking like. Let's go get those lemons and then we can prune the tree.
Sorry.
Yeah, just stop running maybe. You should put this guy here this side so that it's not on the side. You know, there's this lemon tree. I'm going to be pruning all the lower branches here. There's this lemon tree. I don't know what's this. Look at this. Look at this. I need to look at this. What is this? What is this? You can't even do anything on this. You can't eat this.
Hey guys, that's a lemon.
That's a lemon.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey guys,
Okay.
that's a lemon.
That's a lemon. Yes.
We're getting a lot of lemons.
Yeah, we will get a lot of lemons.
I see one. I can't get it because it's sharpy here. They're very sharpy points. Daddy, I see one more.
You see one more?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do this. Here. Daddy.
Yeah.
Here.
Yeah, just hang on. I'll pay attention to you. Just hang on. Oi! Oi! Come on, stand up now.
Daddy.
Yeah, I'm here.
The lemon's there.
Yeah, just hang on. Yeah.
Look at that.
Okay. Sorry. Okay.
Looking delicious.
Okay. Here we go.
More sour lemon. What's on up there?
Okay. All right. Let's show you what we have.
Let me show you what.
Here's what we have. Here's our harvest today. I don't know if we can get any
Avocado.
much better. Right, guys, that's our harvest today. Now we will be enjoying this with the lemons. I'll have to squeeze them, keep the lemon juice fresh, because often in my house we use the lemon juice for porridge and stuff like that. So yeah, also to maintain the freshness, I'll have to squeeze all of them. Yeah, and then I might leave maybe one or two because I love to put them with the skin on the tea. The tea, it's green tea and lemon, very nice. Otherwise, sunny day here, Carl is on top of the hill and Karin's on top of the hill. Harvesting time. A big harvest. Okay.